how I created this video URL analysis tool. So what this thing does is actually just takes in a URL, it grabs a transcript and pulls out key points and information around how well you presented, how well you know a certain subject, those types of things. So this specific one is actually geared towards, I've got it set up in the prompt to actually act as like a developer hiring manager to give you some sort of analysis on you presenting a project, just like this thing. So I could run this video back through this thing, figure out how terrible I did on it, and then improve upon it. So what this is just a Next.js app that I spun up, just the normal boilerplate type stuff. And it's just got the simple page here that calls analysis. Where's that? There you go. My little API call for analysis. And what it does is just takes this form, passes through the URL, and runs an analysis on it. And how the analysis works is I'm using a package that just pulls down the transcript from YouTube, and I'm using just a personal, another junk video that I've done, trying to explain stuff and try to get better at this as well. So pulls that down, pulls his transcript down, uses OpenAI to actually go and call this prompt here. You are a software engineer, hiring manager, assistant. Your task is to analyze and provide developer presentation transcript, evaluate the developer based on their coding knowledge, problem solving skills, etc. Got it? Cool. And then, so it has that system prompt, and then it says analyze in the following text. So then it goes through there, it runs our post, sends it off, gives us a little error handling if the transcript's not found, or if there's a problem. So yeah, that's that. I've also got it set up to output in Markdown with this MDX remote, and then just configure that in the next config here. Again, all this stuff was like just me prompting ChatGPT to speed this process up even more. Like I totally could have done this. It probably would have taken me a little bit longer to figure out all these things, but it's so much faster just to prompt ChatGPT to get better at what you're working on, to speed up the process. So like in 30 minutes, I was up and running. I had an idea I wanted to do, throw it in there, got what I wanted to working out of it. So now let's check this out. So I've got a dummy thing, YouTube video that's terrible. Again, don't watch it. Analyze. So then after a little bit here, probably could use like a loading state or something like that. And let's see, actually, let's check here. So it did work. So how I know it worked is the console logs all the transcript from it, and there it finally came through. And we have an analysis of this video. So evaluation of developer presentation transcript. Categories, so it gives you all the categories of how it broke it down. My coding knowledge, some pros and cons of how well I presented different areas, some feedback on what I did, my ability for problem solving skills on this particular video, my communication skills. Look at this, terrible, 6 out of 10. So I need to work on that, but hopefully this tool actually will help me improve upon that. The overall project understanding, not too bad. Some feedback, and then gives me all these scores afterwards with some constructive feedback for the summary. If you want the code, there's a link in the description. And if you want to see me improve over time or just crash and burn on this little experiment, feel free to follow along. See ya.